Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've ever wondered how a caramel sauce is made, this is how I make my caramel sauce using 3 simple ingredients that you probably have in your home. So stay tuned and let's get straight into it. So for this I'm using custard sugar. Normal granulated white sugar works fine as well. I'm using butter and cream. Once your sugar has melted and is nicely caramelized, you want to make sure you turn down the heat. You don't want to caramelize it further because at this stage it will quickly turn from this to a burnt sugar. At this point you want to add your cream. Make sure you add a little bit at a time and not the whole thing, just to tamper with the mixture first, and then you add the rest as you proceed. So here we are, caramel sauce is almost ready, all the lumps are gone. What you need to do here is put it aside, let it cool down, and we're ready to serve. So I'm going to be using this caramel sauce in the next dishes that I'm going to make, so watch out for my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.